Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a sibling of the iconic Clover Club. Today we're making the Clover Leaf. We're going to start with half an ounce of egg white. Ouch. What did I say?
0.3, 1/3 of an ounce.
I'm sorry, a third of an ounce of lime juice. A third of an ounce of lemon juice. So what happens when you have a stroke first thing. Half an ounce of grenadine. Half an ounce of dry vermouth. Ooh, really good at spilling the vermouth today.
You are.
And then 1.5 ounces of gin. And then I just realized I completely forgot my mint, so that's exciting. So you normally would want about 5 leaves of mint, but mine are absolutely massive, so I'm only using 3. So I'm going to just give those a little bit of a wake up. Throw those in. And then we're going to do a dry shake or a mime shake to emulsify the egg.
Just waiting for that thing to explode all over you.
I know. All right, now we're going to add ice. I don't know why I keep putting that over there.
Oh. You do all sorts of things I have questions about.
You being the biggest one.
Proud.
Okay, put your ice in your small shaker tin. And then we're going to shake for roughly another 10 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hand. Oh, try to get my shaking arm back into shaking shape.
I was actually just waiting for you to hit yourself in the face with this.
I thought about it.
It was awfully close.
I know, because I was trying to,
You're hugging it.
trying to. We are going to double strain into our Nick and Nora glass. We are going to take a lemon peel. We're going to just express over the top. Then I like to give it a nice rub. You can discard that. Ouch. Sorry. And then last but not least, we're going to find a small leaf. Just give it a little bit of a wake up. And then we're going to just lay that right on top.
Oh, pretty.
So pretty.
Sorry.
Subtle.
He was good. What do you mean? I don't know what you're talking about.
And there we have our Clover Leaf cocktail. I am going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to also rate it. So 1 is I would have 1 cocktail, move on. 5, I would drink this all night, hate myself in the morning. Let's see where we are today. Oh, I can smell the mint. It's very minty.
No.
And of course, I smell a lot of the lemon. Interesting. You get a lot. It's very lemon. It's very citrusy. You get the lemon, you get the lime. I don't really taste a whole lot of the grenadine. So it's not a very flavor forward cocktail. It's just really citrusy. And then of course you do get a good amount of the mint coming through. So it's more minty and citrusy than anything. It's still a good cocktail. I just wish there was more flavor coming from somewhere. It is well balanced. It's not, it's not overly citrusy. It's not overly sweet. It's kind of nice right there in the middle with the balance. But yeah, for me, I wish there was just a little bit more flavor. So because of that, I'd probably have to I'm going to give this a 1 out of 5. I would try it. I think it's good, but I don't think I would have a second one just because the flavor is just not there. I don't know. That's just my 2 cents. 1 out of 5 for me. I would have 1 and move on.
Unless you like mint.
unless you like mint. But even then, I just think it's just missing a flavor. Like for me, there's just no flavor. It's pretty. Anywho's. Ingredients are going to be listed down below. I want you to try making this at home, see what your thoughts are. Maybe you like a just citrusy cocktail that doesn't have any other flavor other than mint, which is totally fine. To each their own. It's just not for me. But make sure you give it a try. Relatively simple cocktail, not a whole lot of ingredients going into it. And then make sure you like, comment, subscribe, let me know what your thoughts are, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.